Here are some Excel tips and tricks. Format Painter. Use the Format Painter tool to quickly copy formatting from one cell to another. Select the cell with a desired format, click on the Format Painter button on the Home tab, and then click on the destination cells to apply the formatting. AutoFill. Excel's AutoFill feature allows you to quickly fill a series of cells with a pattern or sequence. Enter the starting value, drag the fill handle, a small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell, and Excel will automatically fill the cells based on the pattern it recognizes. Freeze panes. When working with large datasets, use freeze panes to keep certain rows or columns visible as you scroll through the data. Select the row or column below or to the right of the area you want to freeze. Go to the View tab, and click on Freeze Panes. Conditional formatting. Highlight specific data based on predefined conditions using conditional formatting. Select the range of cells. Go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, and choose the desired rule or create a custom rule to format the cells accordingly. VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP function allows you to find and retrieve data from a table based on a specific value. It's useful for searching for information in large datasets. The basic syntax is equals VLOOKUP lookup underscore value, table underscore array, call underscore index underscore num, range underscore lookup. Pivot tables. Pivot tables are powerful tools for analyzing and summarizing large datasets. They allow you to quickly summarize and analyze data by dragging and dropping fields. Select your data range, go to the Insert tab, and click on Pivot Table. Keyboard shortcuts. Learn Ctrl+C, copy, Ctrl+V, paste, Ctrl+Z, undo, Ctrl+S, save, and Ctrl+Shift+, insert current time. Data validation. Use data validation to restrict the type of data that can be entered into a cell. Specify rules, such as whole numbers, decimal numbers, or specific values, to maintain data integrity. You can find the data validation option under the Data tab. Remove duplicates. Excel provides a feature to easily remove duplicate values from a range of data. Select the data range, go to the Data tab, click on Remove Duplicates, and choose the columns to check for duplicates.